This is a 2014 BMW 428i Convertible with 38,000 miles. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Like all of our vehicles, we perform a 125-point certified pre-owned inspection on everything that we sell. When you buy a vehicle from us, it will not need a thing. On top of that, we offer a best price guarantee. If you find a comparable one for sale in our market, please let us know and we will gladly beat their price. So yep, you're getting a certified pre-owned vehicle with a best price guarantee. You're not going to find that anywhere in the market. For more pictures and pricing, including undercarriage pictures showing you that this is a completely rust-free vehicle, please feel free to visit our website, autoparadisetx.com. That's autoparadisetx.com. This vehicle is absolutely gorgeous, very fun to drive, lots of options, blind spot monitoring, lane assist, navigation, backup camera, 360 camera, just lots of fun features. It is black. I'll try to show you as best I can every angle, but it's really hard with the black and especially the sun glares from it. So no, the headlights do not do that. It is from the video. So if you're seeing flickering or blinking headlights, it is not that way in person. It is from the video that we're taking. Front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, again, just in wonderful condition. I'm going to show you the interior. The interior is flawless. No rips, no stains, no wear marks. Original floor mats. No cracked dash, no sticky dash. 38,000 miles. So it has a backup camera. You can do settings. It has navigation. It has side lane assist. We'll go to here. We'll go to navigation again. Backup camera, split screen camera, side lane assist camera, heated seats, push button start, power top, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. Memory seats. Again, just in remarkable condition. No sticky dash, no sticky door handles like you find in a lot of these BMWs. All right, now we're going to show you the power top operation. If you're buying a convertible, you want to make sure the power top works. Little transformer car here. Okay, there it stores, and now we'll go back up. It has alloy wheels. It has the M package on it, so it has the M emblems. Bridgestone tires are in great shape. So this is a 2014 BMW 428i Convertible, 38,000 miles. Just a fun car, gorgeous car, super clean, needs nothing, fully serviced. Get in and have fun. Wow.